In this video, I'll walk you through on how you can upgrade your Snap from the beginner level to the professional level, or we call it the business level. And this way, you'll be able to get thousands of views like other creators on Snapchat. So in this video, I'll walk you through on how you can actually do it step by step, and you would not need to pay a single dime. I'll walk you through on how you can do it for free. So guys, let's just go straight into it. The first thing we are going to do now is to search for this. Now, go to your search bar and search for business Snapchat. Just click on it. Now, the next thing we are going to do now is to just click on this first link. Now, just click on it and it should take you to this page. Now, we want to create a business manager account. If you don't already have a business manager account, then you're going to be creating it. But if you have already, just log in your account. But as for us, we don't have a business account, but we have a normal account. So what we're going to be doing now is to just log in our normal account. So now I'm currently logging into my own normal account, not a business account. But if you have a business account already, you could just log in. For us that don't have a business account, we are going to be creating a business account. So we're going to log in our normal Snap account on it so that we could create a business account through this process. Now, in a few seconds, we should be taken to this page. It's very easy. What's our business name? Our business name, let's just use this at YouTube upgrade. Very easy. Now, we are going to be choosing our country, but for this, let's just use US. So there's no need for us to use a phone number. There's no need for us to put this. We could just click on this, then click on this, click on next, and it should take us to this page. Now, we would want to create a public profile. Now, you could create a public profile from here, because if you already have a business account, we need to create a public profile. Now, for those of you that already have a business account and already has a public profile but having issues upgrading it, don't worry, we'll come to that. That will be in the next part. So now let's just walk through how we could create a public profile. Now let's just go click on this. Very easy. The thing is that most of us already have a public profile, but for this video, I'll be teaching you how you could create your own public profile now for those people that don't already have. So let's just go straight into it. So now it's already loading. So we're going to wait for some few minutes, and you can see we have created our own public profile. Now, we are finished creating the business account and a public profile. So we want to actually edit our public profile so we'll be able to go viral and post videos on it. So what we're going to do now is to scroll down. You could see here, edit our public profile. So we're going to click on it. As you can see, it took us straight into our public profile. But I've noticed that some people have issues with their own public profile that they have already created, that they are not going viral, or they are not getting the professional look on their profile. But we'll still come to that. But for those of us that are just starting out, then this is the next thing we are going to do to be able to complete the public profile that we've already created. Now click on edit profile. Next what we're going to do now is to just, we already have username. You could go ahead and put in your profile picture, but for this, let's just use this. You could put a bio of your choice. Let's just put tech, category, a creator, but I would advise you guys, you could use any category of your choice. But let's just say a lifestyle influencer. You could pick out a city you stay in. Let's just say Lagos. Let's just say Lagos. For the next one, we'll be choosing Nigeria. So yeah, as we could see that we have already filled in the necessary requirements. So we're gonna do put update profile. Now once we click on update profile, we have completed the profile, and now we could start posting on our page. So now I'll be showing you the different steps for those of you that cannot. I'm sure that most people have issues with selecting this category, because most times people that have already created a profile before, most of them are not going viral, or most of them rather is not going well for them, or they don't have the options that us that just created an account or just upgraded our profile has. So if you're facing this issue, I'll be fixing that in this video, and that's where the next part comes in. So if you've created your public profile already, then you are good to go. But for those of us that have these issues, this next step is for you. So now this is where I come in. So once you update this, we are done with the first phase. Now for this second step is very easy. For those of us that already have a profile but we don't get to edit this, because this is what confirms that we perfectly done our public profile and we are going to be able to go viral. So if you don't have this category choice, then trust me, you are doing it wrongly. So sometimes if you come to this page, you will not even be able to edit it because it will be permanent. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be deleting our profile. Now most of us will be worried that if I delete this profile, won't it affect my followers already on their account? No, it won't. If you delete your profile and create a new profile, it would have your normal followers you already have on your before profile. Now, it's very easy. Next, what we're going to do now is to click on delete. The only issue that you might have is your insights. Do you understand? But you'll still be having your normal views. Do you understand? But you might have issues viewing your insights you've had in your previous profile. So what we're going to do now is to click on delete. As you can see, very easy. We would want to create a new profile. Once you click on delete that profile, it takes you to this page. And if they don't take you to this page, the first part, I think I explained that where you could get to this page. So what we're going to do now is to click on I already have a Snapchat account. Because we already have a Snapchat account, we don't just have a public profile. So what we're going to do now is to click on I already have a Snapchat account and log in this account we are active on, but we need to log in again for them to confirm it. So we're going to click on I already have a Snapchat account and just click on it. So that's where a pop-up will come out for us to log in our account. So the next thing you're going to do now is log in your Snapchat account on this profile. Very easy. Now, as for me, you can see I've already logged in my own Snapchat account. Do you understand? Now it's very easy. You can see you could just click on create a profile. You can see it was easy. So once you've deleted your previous one, you could just create a new one. So just create a private profile. Very easy. Now once you get a private profile, then obviously any issue you've been having before will be fixed immediately. As you can see, we have fixed it immediately. So if you go back to this option of choosing your category, you will see that it works perfectly. So now let's just go back there and just click on let's just say you're a vlogger or a blogger. So yeah, I've already put in everything I need to put. As I've created my private profile, the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on update profile. If you understand what I've been saying, you will notice that we are now able to change the category because we've created a new profile. And don't worry, your followers will still be the same thing. So what we're going to do now is to click on update profile. Very easy. As you can see, you've perfectly fixed this. And yes, that's it. It's that simple. After this works for you, you can go on and tell your friends to watch this video, or you could just help them create their own account. No, don't charge them for this, because if you charge them, it will be unfair, because I taught you for free. And now that you have upgraded your Snap, you can now start reaching out to a larger audience. So the next thing you're going to do now is to post at least 10 to 20 videos or pictures every single day for at least 1, 2, 3 months. And trust me, if you do this gradually, or if you do this consistently, you would start getting thousands of views. And guys, the best way for you to support me is by subscribing to this channel. So I'll be doing more videos like this. Or if you want me to help you out or teach you how you could create anything or solve a problem for you, comment down in the comment section.